What do you do if you're so eager to host a big fat Indian wedding and you cannot do that on the ground because of the COVID-19 protocols? Well, it's simple. Do it mid-air. Yes, that's exactly what a couple from Tamil Nadu's Madurai did. This young couple booked a flight from Madurai to Bangalore and had a lavish wedding right in the middle of the high skies because their state, Tamil Nadu, is under a strict COVID-19 lockdown. The SpiceJet chartered flight left the Madurai airport and remained airborne for approximately 2 hours on Sunday morning before returning back home. And while it was in the air, a full-blown wedding was taking place inside the flight with the families, relatives and guests in tow of the bride and the groom, all jam-packed on a SpiceJet Boeing 737 plane, 130 people to be precise. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, or the DGCA, has now asked for a report, and the crew of the SpiceJet flight has been taken off duty for inquiry. The bride and the groom and their families may also face action, as SpiceJet says the passengers did not follow any rules despite repeated requests. In one of the videos, the groom is seen tying a Mangal Sutra around the bride's neck as cameras capture the precise moment with a crowd on the aisle behind them enjoying the wedding. In another shot, an excited photographer, perhaps trying to justify his payment, is encouraging them to smile for the camera. The bride is decked up with flowers and jewelry, and the groom is in traditional South Indian attire. Of course, there are more visuals that show people sitting and enjoying the function inside the aircraft just like they were in a marriage hall. Most of them are without face masks, of course, and there is no social distancing in this houseful flight. Now the DGCA has launched an inquiry into the mid-air wedding and has asked for a full report from SpiceJet and also the airport authority. SpiceJet, who has de-rostered the crew, has also been asked to file a complaint against those caught violating the COVID-19 norms on board the flight. While the airport authorities have squarely denied any knowledge of the airborne wedding, SpiceJet said in its statement that the flight was chartered by a travel agent on May 23rd for what was claimed to be just another post-wedding joyride. The SpiceJet statement reads the client was briefed adequately on COVID-19 protocols to be followed and denied permission for any activity to be performed on board. The agent and the guest and the passengers were briefed in detail both in writing and also verbally on social distancing and safety norms to be followed as per the COVID-19 guidelines, both at the airport and on board. A SpiceJet spokesperson also said that despite repeated requests and reminders, the passengers did not follow COVID-19 guidelines and the airline is taking appropriate action as per the rules. However, the couple has claimed that all the 130 passengers on board were their relatives who took the RT-PCR test and then they boarded the flight after testing negative. Of course, a lot of people say that maybe what the couple did is inappropriate given the situation right now in India. But what about the politicians who flouted rules in such a massive way by holding rallies of thousands of people without social distancing and allowed many other congregations that eventually led to a dreaded second wave of coronavirus in India? Who will punish them? Who will take responsibility for that? Anyway, what are your thoughts on this particular story? Let me know in the comment section. We can chat on Instagram. It's @RevReviewron. Subscribe if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't, thank you so much for watching. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Jai Hind.